What's up? So we back with another one. Today is wash day. Your girl is not feeling it. Let's just say it's 80 degrees out the door. I'm coming down with a cold and I am not feeling it. I'm just wondering, like, should I hire me somebody to do this? Drop them off at the laundromat? I just hate for a bitch to be going through my drawers and shit, you know, smelling them and like weirdo stuff, you know? But anywho, we'll be back. A basket trying to get away from me and stuff. Can't get right. Just dropping things and everything. Okay, y'all follow me. We're gonna go ahead and here check out the place and things. Okay, these ones on these sides was like $7.95, which those weren't the biggest ones that they had. So I was going around to check it out and see what's the bigger ones available, which they were. So that's where we're gonna go. Dreading that I didn't sort these things out. I usually would have sorted my clothes out and everything. When I tell y'all, it's a lot of people in the laundromat, and I got so many damn clothes. I did eventually go get my auntie to sit up here with my clothes. Sit up here with my clothes, because I had some more errands to do. I had on when got me something to eat, because I need a whole bunch of scrimps for this. God damn. Y'all, I wouldn't recommend waiting a month and a half to wash clothes, because this is too much shit. I still gotta take all this in here. I'm realizing now, really, that I have too much stuff to wash. Alright. Okay, so, y'all, this the last little bit. Yes, I was giving that everything I had, because when I tell you, I was just like, about to be out. And we're gonna put that in there so we go do our other errands. Hold on, just walk with me, you feel me? Just grab my purse and the money, or I won't be watching anything. Shout out to Spence City, this is where I go do my laundry, you feel me? Y'all know, good business. I hate to wash one load at a time, so I usually just bring something. No, I can't be the only one that hate to wash load by load, or am I lazy? So at this point, we just separating the lights and the darks and the whites. You know, we're going to put all of the different machines. We don't want our stuff turning colors and all that bleaching stuff and all that. We work hard for our stuff. We're trying to keep it as fast. Oh, do y'all see all this stuff like on the table in front of the washers, like in that cart, like just too much stuff? Man, why I'm on that one bag at this point? I'm almost done. I'm down to my last 2 buckets. Now see how that worked out? Now we almost done. I tell you, this has been a long ride. See, we're gonna put us 2 pots in our here, you feel me? We want it to be clean and all that. Which the pots is from Ties, and then our little scent things are from Snuggles. And then we gonna, once we start to wash up again, we gonna put us some gain in us, cause you know we gonna make sure these things clean. We trying to get all them stains that was a stain, we gonna get them. You hear me? Okay, so we're gonna shed it. I don't know what was going wrong, but you know, we're gonna shed these and then we're gonna start this. Okay, so y'all follow me over here. We're gonna go over here and put some money on my card. I could have used my credit card, but we just gonna use cash today.
They're only $1, I think. Yeah, but I had like 30 something, I want to say, on my other Spin City card. So, looks like I have to purchase me a brand new one. Now, this time $1. Make sure I'm looking through my purse and shit. Oh, I got it. Okay, now let's see how much you got. Show that. Let's see how much you got on here. Oh, my card says...
Y'all, the thank you girl is a liar. And I be having plenty of Spin City cards. So now this one just so happened to be zero balance on it. Don't chew your girl out now.
Washers and it was like $9.75 a piece. So we're gonna go ahead and I don't know what's going on with this. They don't want to accept my money. Okay, y'all. So I don't know what's going on with this, but yeah, let's try it again. Now add us some more money. So I know we're gonna need the dry and all that. So yeah, I think 50, I'm gonna say 55 should be enough to complete today. Include and dry. But y'all do keep in mind I said it was $9.75 a piece and I have 4 of them. Okay, let's go over here. Wait, make sure I press enter. Y'all wanna make sure you press enter so your money be on your thing, you feel me? Get your receipt, you feel me? Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and come over this.
Pay first. Shit, I already paid. Who that? Okay, we're gonna put us a little bleacher now. Is that Ace? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's about $1. We just gotta wait, 17 minutes, and then we'll be right. Thanks to this one right there, you know, we had to go pick her up because I told y'all, like, I was not ready for today, like, was not, and I still gotta throw them up, but that's the easy peasy job. Y'all, so this is that struggle. I done put this stuff in here, and I'm shopping some damn sheets in here. So that's what I'm trying to do, put me some sheets because you know we got to get it smelling good, you feel me? Y'all, I'm about to drop all my clothes back. I played, y'all. I played too much moving fast. So now we just waiting for them things to be done, and we is out. Okay, so I usually don't fold my socks or drawers here. I wait till I get home to separate them. So we just gonna put these to the side. Finally done and out of here. I look like I done been working all motherfucking day. But I'm gonna tell y'all, I wouldn't recommend waiting no whole month and a half before you do your wash up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that button. If you ain't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. So y'all, my car is packed.